In this era of AI, there are so many things we don't do manually again, and creating of slides is one of them. So you don't need to go to your PowerPoint slide and be typing manually. Artificial intelligence can help you to achieve that. So let's watch what we have for today's class. That is the AI we are going to use, gamma.app. If you are new, you register. You can see my name there. That is because I have registered. So once you are registered, this is how your dashboard will look like. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. So sign up if you have not done that. Then after you sign up, you will look at where my cursor is, which is create new. Create new, you just click on it, click on create new. After clicking on that, you will see a lot of options. Generate. In this generate, you can use your prompt. Then you will see another place, paste text. You can just paste your text. You can generate from template. Maybe you have template already. You can also input from files or URL. You understand? You already have your file, your project, your seminar work. You can input it from this place. So let's click on input files. Let's click on input files and see the result. When you click on import with AI, you will see upload a file. You can upload different type of files there: PowerPoint, Word document, PDF. You can also import from your drive. You can import from your drive, and you can also import from websites. So since I have a document, let's click on browse file. That is, we are importing from file. I will now search my phone or my computer and look for my files that I have already. It can be your project, it can be anything that you want to generate your slide for. So I'm looking for a file, a particular file I want to use. Okay, I've seen one file, EGS 403. Let me select that file and generate slides for it. So I will just select it, select the file, and then I will open. I'll just click on the file and then open. Yes, I've opened it. The file is uploading now. Let's wait for it to upload. The file is uploading. AI has helped us a lot. AI has helped us a lot. I'm waiting for the file to upload. It has finished uploading. It has finished uploading. So what do I need to do? I am presenting. So I will click on continue. So when I click on continue, it will generate my files for me, right? Like, it's going to show me the write-up that I uploaded. This is what I want to generate my slides for. This is it. So I can select any of the background that I want, any of this background that you are seeing. I can decide to select any of them and use for my presentation. Any background that I feel like using, I will just select it. But for this particular course, let's select blue. Let's use this blue. Then we'll now click on generate. When you click on generate, you wait for it to generate. You wait for the AI to do the work. It has started generating my slides for me. You can see with the usage of AI, you don't need to go and browse the pictures you are going to use to attach to your slide. You don't need to go to your PowerPoint slide and be typing manually. No, all you need to do is to import your file. Just the ready-made file. Take, for instance, you have a project presentation. With Gamma AI, you can be able to generate your slides effortlessly. You can generate your slides effortlessly. I remember there was a time we were doing a seminar presentation. I think that was as far back as 400 level in the university or something. Yeah, some persons were paying others to make their slides for them. Some persons were paying other people to make their presentation, like their PowerPoint slides for them. So you can see with this AI now, once you have your document ready, you don't need to pay anybody. You don't need any skill to do it. It is generating. Let's wait for it. It is generating for us. Yes, it is generating for us. Yes, let it keep generating. It has finished generating. You can see it. Wow, the slides are very nice. They are very nice. It has finished generating for us. Wow, these are wonderful slides. You can see them. Great, great, great. Technical writing techniques. Technical writing techniques. I don't need to download any picture online again. it will download a matching picture and make the slides for me. You can see how good it is. Yes, this is so nice. That is the power of AI. I'll click on present. When I click on present, it will now show in a very large form. Like, this is the form I want to display maybe on the screen, on the projector screen, so that people can see. You can see it here. Very nice. And this presentation can be done anywhere. You can present this slide anywhere. You can see how good it is, how neat it is. So now if I want to save it now, what do? I'll click on share. When I click on share, I'll click on export. Look at where my cursor is. I'll click on export. So I can export to either PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slide, or even as PNG. But now let me export as PowerPoint. So I'll click on download. It is downloading for me. So I'll wait for it. I'll wait for it to download. That is why you need a very strong internet connection when you want to create your slide. So I'm waiting for it to download. Here, it is done. It is done. It is done. Wow, that is good. The download is successful. So since the download is successful, look at it. I'll just click on it. Wow, this is wonderful. Can you see my slides? I just made this with AI. Now you can have this now as an offline document that you want to use. Maybe if you want to present it to your lecturers or to anybody in a conference, you can just copy it to your flash and use it for your presentation. This is as simple as this. This is very simple, and you don't need any skill to be able to achieve this. So now we have been able to create with a document. What if we don't have a document? We have an idea of what we want to present. We have an idea of what we want to present, but we have not written anything. So you can also generate slides just by typing in your prompt. You can see this time now you don't need any form of file. You just click on generate. I showed you so many ways in which you can make your slides, isn't it? You imported your file the other time. This time around, you don't need to import your file. What you are doing here, you are just giving the AI a prompt. Just give it a prompt, and it will generate the slide for you. Now, the prompt we are giving here is the effect of war in a country. That is the impact of war in a country. And we are using Nigeria as a case study. So this topic has been given to me to present in a conference, and I've not written down any notes. So I want AI to generate the slides for me that I will use for my presentation. So I will just come here to my Gamma AI, click on generate, put in my prompt, and it will start generating for me. Wow, see the power of AI. You don't need to type anything. You can see it has generated. You will now select a suitable background. You can select any background at all that you feel matches what you want to present. So let me just decide to select green. I will just select green. You understand? Let me just select green. So I'll click on generate after selecting the green background. So it is generating for me. You can see it has started generating. The scars of conflict, wars enduring impact on Nigeria, a nation under siege, the escalation of violence. So you will wait for it to generate. You can see it is generating my slides for me. Do you get it? Remember, this time around, I did not upload any document to it. I just gave it a prompt that, okay, take for instance, I have a presentation to do, and this is what I want to present on. It's just like I just gave AI my topic, and AI is now generating slides for me to present. You can see how AI has made our work so easy. You understand? If it were to be those days, for you to present in a conference, you have to spend a lot of time reading and all of that. And after reading, you form your note. You now go to your PowerPoint. You open your PowerPoint, you start typing, and you start going online to look for pictures that are matching. But this time around, you don't need all of that. You don't need all of that. All you just need to do is either you want to write it by yourself and you give it to AI to make the slides for you, or you give AI the prompt and AI will generate the slide for you. You will just go through it, cross-check to ensure that whatever has been generated is in line with what you want to present. You can see it is generating our slides for us. It is generating our slides for us. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Please, in this era, ensure you are using AI. AI enhances whatever you are doing. AI has entered almost all the spheres of life. Academia, software engineering, mobile app development, anything you can think of, AI has entered. You can see, wow, my slides have been generated. Can you see? This is nice. This is wonderful. The scars of conflict, wars enduring impact on Nigeria. You understand? So I'm not talking about the effect of conflict, the effect of war, the impact it has in a country, or the impact it has on people. So this is just it. Let me click on present so that we'll make it bold. Let me click on present and make it bold so that we can be able to see it. But this is just how you can create your slide by either uploading the file that you have already, or pasting a text, or giving AI the prompt that you want, and your slides will be generated. AI has come to stay. AI has come to stay. And what you need to do for you to be relevant in this era is to learn how to use AI. Remember when when World Wide Web came, a lot of persons were saying that it is antichrist and all of that. But so there's virtually nobody in this world who is not using the internet today. Or maybe 99% of people in the world currently are using the internet. Can you see? Look at this slide. This is just good. This is just good. So this is the era we are now. If you have not started using AI, start using it now. If you have not signed up to this Gamma AI, go and sign up and do your next presentation. Do your next presentation with Gamma AI. You can see from abundance to scarcity. So this is how you can design your PowerPoint slide with the help of artificial intelligence. It is very, very simple. Just take your time to watch this video. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe, I want you to like, I want you to share it with your friends. Or do you want your friends to continue making their slides manually? Alright, so I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.